Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today all I'm going to be doing is talking about this front suspension kit. Now I know I mentioned in previous videos several months ago that I had ordered this kit for my car. So we're going to be showing you the kit installed on this car and right here and what it looks like and kind of what comes in the kit. And I'm just going to kind of give you a rundown on what you can expect and what you're going to need to buy when you buy this AJE. This is the Colt 65 kit. It's for a small block Ford. You can do, 302, 289, or 351. So let's go ahead and dive right in. I'll show you exactly what comes in the kit and, of course, some of the things you can't see that came in the kit, and we'll go ahead and talk about it. Okay, walking up to the car, first thing you see, of course, the coilovers. Now, these coilovers are spring rated for the small block Ford. Of course, they're loose right now because nothing's adjusted just yet. Everything's just being mocked up. Now, spindles, it does say that you can use a spindle from a Fox body. You will have to use your rack and pinion from a Fox body. This is a brand new rack and pinion, power rack for Ford Mustang Fox body. You will have to buy a bump steer kit for this, but it says they recommend you to use a 94 to 2004 Ford Mustang New Edge spindle and brake assembly kit. So the 04 Cobra, 03, 04 Cobras look real nice on these cars, especially with that Cobra brake caliper. So if you want to run that option. But one thing you have to do with the kit, the original spring retainer that was welded up here, just plug welded, you will have to drill those welds out and remove that for this new camber adjustment plate on the top to fit flush. And there you'll see how nice it looks. And you can also loosen these bolts and put your 1/2-inch drive, and then you can turn that to adjust it where it needs to be. So that's really nice. Now, it also comes with the motor mounts for your small block Ford or your engine application, and it mounts right there to the frame. Now, going down here to the frame, it comes with all the hardware, but what you're not seeing that it comes with is it comes with sleeves that go in this frame that you'll weld in to keep the frame from crushing down whenever you torque these bolts down. Because if you didn't put the sleeve in there and you torque it down, as it adjusts over time, it'll loosen up. So that's one thing you can't see, but it is welded in there. Now the spindles were not in the kit. These spindles are something added, of course, because you gotta buy them separate. But it does come with your control arms right here. It comes with your coilover kit and your adjusting plate up top. And there you can see it bolted right there at the bottom. And it comes with that K-member. But you will have to buy your rack and pinion separate and your spindle assembly separate and your bump steer kit separate. It does say you can use a Fox body tie rod in, but I would recommend, in the instructions as well, recommend getting a bump steer kit. But that's gonna be it. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that now and hit the notification bell as well, and you'll be the first one to get a video as soon as it comes out. Also, go ahead and check out my later playlist and some of my older videos, and you'll see stuff like this on the channel, trucks, car shows, everything from this and that. But I'll catch you guys in the next video and the next project.